Okay, folks, I think we can close Netflix, $1,000 profit right here, or close to it. I mean, I think it should be around between 700 and 900. We'll give it a little bit more time so you can get some more time decay because this is expiring today. And SPX, of course, is expiring on Monday, and we'll see what we need to do. SPX up 21 points. This is great. I mean, so it's trying to move towards the middle of the condor there. So Netflix up 600, and if you recall, that is exactly what we needed to make up on Netflix, and it's moving a little down, so I don't want to lose it. So let's close out Netflix, folks. Let's see, 1180, 1181. All right, if it moves up a little bit, finally Microsoft is moving. And SPX is up 800. That seems to be the real number as well. So we've got two good trades, and Microsoft we've already booked about 1700. So we are just down 500 on this, and it's moving towards the 525, which is what we would want. Okay, so Netflix about 550 if we can close it at this price. So let's do this, buying at 34 cents, 35 cents, and that would be a profit of about 600 to 700. So that would be good if we can close it at 35. Of course, these option prices are fluctuating now, so we'll just wait for it to. We should get filled on Netflix. Let's see, 42 cents. Let's see. Okay, so Netflix is closed. I hope everybody closed it. 35 cents. We made a profit of 700 there. On the SPX, what I'm thinking is we are 80 points away on the call side and only about 35 points on the put side. And the put side is almost break even. In fact, it is break even right now. So I say we close the put side and move it back and keep it safe for any further moves today. So if the mark price is 120, then let's see if we can. At this price, we'll be down about. Okay, its mark is 90 now, so should be about 100 down maybe, or even break even. But let's see. I've given a $1.30. So okay, $1 exactly. So that was let's just call it a break-even trade. And then what we want to do is just make this trade safe. That's all. So going into the weekend, we just want to make it safe. So we had it at 63.25. So I think 6300 would be a good level to put this credit spread here. And let's see what premiums we get. Don't really care too much about the premium because it's just a cover. Oh, it's only 15 cents. No, 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 that's not right. Okay, that's not right. 60 cents. Okay, there we go. So 10 contracts. Let's pick it up. So if we can get 70, 55 to 60 cents, I would say let's put it at 60. We should get filled. So it makes the trade safe, so we don't have to worry about it. But let's see if it gets filled. Okay, so we are filled at 60 cents. So I'm going to move SPX over to the day trades group here. And so now we have a nice condor. So we are about 61 points below on the put side, and we are about almost 79 points on the call side. This makes it very safe. And we still have, let's see, 55 cents here, and we still have the call side has come down to very little. So we need to book this. We need to book this, and that's about $700. Okay, so it's come down to 15 cents, folks. So there's no point in keeping that. Let's book it. So that's a profit of 700 if it gets filled, and we'll jot that down. Is equal to plus 700. It should get filled. Let's see. Okay, there we go. All right, 15 cents. So that was a profit of 700. I've noted it down. Now, let's see what we can do with the SPX trade. 64.40 obviously is too far away. So let's try 64.10. 64.10 would be 50 points. Let's see what the premiums are, then we can decide. So okay, 64.10 is 75 cents. Let's go 64.15 and 64.20. Okay, that's 60 cents. Yeah, yeah, sometimes these option prices are wonky. The 64.10 to 64.15 shows 70 cents, whereas the 64.15, 20, 64.20 showing is only showing, let's see again. Yeah, this is not right. But there could be reasons for it, reasons of liquidity. So let's go to 64.10, 64.15. That is 17 cents over there. I mean 70 cents over there. 70 to 80 cents. Let's try to pick up 70 cents over here, and 75 if we can. 64.10, 64.15. That's the trade I'm putting in on the SPX. The mark price is 70. It gave us a little bit more, 80 cents. So let's move it to our this side over here. Okay, so the SPX trade is nicely set, 50 points on either side. Put side, we have a little bit more, and that's fine. Markets have been a little flaky. We seem to be giving up gains from the pre market and all of that stuff. So this is good. So we are 50 and 60 points away. I'll tell you what, we can wait for the weekend time decay. We are only now 400, approximately about 400, 450 down. So it's not a bad outcome. But I'm pretty sure over the weekend we'll get some more time decay, and we can perhaps come down to break even. So let's just leave it let's just leave it like this for now, and let's see what else can we can do now. Given it's a weekend coming up, we can look at some premium selling on some of the other stocks. And why not? Let's take a look at the charts first. Netflix, you got to go for these high premium stocks. So Netflix, Tesla, these kind of stocks. So let's see what would be a good trade. So this is in next week's expiry. This is a new trade on Netflix. We've closed out the first one on the 15th August expiry, 11:50, 11:45 on the put side, and then 12:20, 12:25. That centers it actually perfectly, and we're getting about a dollar 60 to dollar 70. If we can time the premium, I think that will be good. Dollar 60 to dollar 70, and it's only meant for the weekend so that we can come in on Monday and perhaps close out this trade. This is not bad. A dollar 60 here. Okay, so it's even now at dollar 60. Let's do it. I'm going to try to get 80 cents on both sides. So this is the 11:50, 11:45. Okay, 80 gave us a little bit more there, and then let's see, the put side is 77. Try to get about 80 there as well. We may not get that. Oh no, we should. Okay, that's not right. That is a that that fill is not right. We'll have to shave quite a bit there. Let me take off some of this stuff. So this is it's going for about 75 to 80 cents. That would be the, yeah, 80 cents would be the the right price. So I think what it gave us Netflix. Okay, yeah, it gave us the right price on the put side, but not on the call side. So we'll have to shave about $300 from there. Now let's see what is going on with our trades here. Okay, so Microsoft is recovering, which is good news. SPX also is in good shape. Let me bring Netflix over here. Right, so Netflix is there. As you can see, we have to shave off about 30, 35 cents. So I would say what I'm going to do is this is the best way to handle it. This is a new trade, so I'm going to put a new. If anybody got filled, please let me know on the chat box what prices you got. That would be the right thing to do. So just put it on the chat box. Thanks.